here is my haul for Christmas lunch and dinner. I'm hosting 2 Christmases, so we will talk about that, what's what, who's for where, and all of those things. So let's start here with our pile of drinks. And like I said, I am hosting 2 Christmases, and I figured whatever we have left over I will use for Colt's birthday, because his birthday is right at the beginning of January. So I stocked up because these are all on sale right now. These are at least, I would say like at my Walmart, but I don't know if it's a regional thing where, or like a national thing where it's everywhere that things are on sale, or if it's just in my area. So that's why I always say at least at my Walmart, as like my own disclaimer. These are $1 a piece right now, the 2 liters. So I got 2 things of Dr. Pepper, 2 things of Diet Coke, 2 things of Coke. I got a Diet Mountain Dew, a Code Red back there, and then I also got 2 things of 7-Up, just because that's like what our family does soda wise, between like my husband's family and then my family. We need Dr. Pepper for our ham, mixers and different things. So I just got a variety of things, and then I'll put like 1 out at a time, and then hopefully we'll have some leftovers that I can pull out for Colt's birthday that we haven't touched yet. I also got 2 things of apple juice, mainly for the kids, but I'm sure adults will get into these too. And I got 2 of these, like I said, maybe for Colt's birthday, or my kids have winter break. Tomorrow is their last day at school. So if while they're home before Christmas they want to have some apple juice maybe, or I also got 2 things of this Hawaiian punch. We could break into one of these if they wanted one of these too. So just for like options and stuff, but I'm hoping that we'll have some of these left over for birthdays. But lots and lots and lots of drinks. We find that liters work better than cans for us personally, so that's why we do things this way. My family decided to do Chinese food for Christmas because we all are getting like traditional Christmas dinner somewhere else. So just so we don't have to eat the same meal 2 days in a row, we decided to do Chinese food. So I said I would make like just plain white rice, and then I would make some fried rice. So I picked up some of these fried rice packets. I've used these before and they're really awesome. So I got that for those. Of course, some French fried onions for the green bean casserole. I make a huge thing of it because it's one of my family, or one of Joe's family's favorite things. So I also needed just 2 more cans of green beans. I had bought extra earlier in the month, and then had some left over from Thanksgiving. So that's what that is. 2 things of stovetop stuffing mix. So got those. I also got 2 8-ounce things of sharp cheddar cheese. I put some cheddar cheese in my green bean casserole, and then just an extra block, I don't know, in case we need it. I don't know. So I got that. I was also thinking about making some mac and cheese as well. So if I make mac and cheese, that's what that second one will go for. I just got a 5-pound thing of potatoes because I still have potatoes left over that I bought earlier this month. So I thought this would be all we needed to like get through for mashed potatoes and whatnot. I got a thing of mini marshmallows. These are for if the kids want to do hot chocolate. I have tons of hot chocolate. I say the kids, but I'm sure the adults will also possibly want to do hot chocolate. And then I also wanted to get an extra thing of marshmallows because we're making Rice Krispie treats. So I just wanted to make sure that I had enough marshmallows, so I got that. Of course, this is our ham. I got a big old ham. I don't even know how many pounds this is because they picked it for me, but I paid $14 for this, and it's 9.8 pounds, which will actually be plenty. We're also doing a turkey, but I already have the turkey, so that's why it's not here on the counter today. Of course, eating materials. I just had a baby. My baby is a week old today, so I'm doing all of the plastic cutlery to make my life easy. I got 2 50-count thing of plates. It was actually cheaper to do it this way. And like I said, I'm just buying all this stuff now and buying extra. That way when Colt's birthday party is like 2 weeks from now, I already have everything and I got it at a better price. So I got 2 things of plates. I got just forks because I have spoons and knives and stuff like already in one of these, so I just needed forks. Obviously you go through forks way faster than anything else. Got a thing of cups. I do have some cups left over from Thanksgiving, or from whatever I hosted last, probably a birthday party. But I got a couple extra, like I said, because it's a good price right now. The last thing that's like Christmas related are the 24 count rolls of Hawaiian rolls. Christmas is still, what day am I filming this? It's Tuesday and Christmas is Sunday, I think. I'm just gonna put these in the freezer to make sure that they don't mold or get funny on me, and then I'll pull them out and defrost them like the night before, and it'll be good. I'm also making 2 loaves of bread, so that's why I only got 1 thing of 24 count of rolls. I also got some handy dandy paper towels. Every time I buy napkins, nobody uses the napkins, they all just grab my paper towel, so I decided to just scratch the napkins and grab more paper towel instead. So that's why I did that. And then, like I said, the kids are going to be home starting tomorrow for Christmas break, and we're completely out of bread. And I was just gonna make bread to get through the rest of the month, but I decided, like, girl, you just had a baby, just put the loaves of bread on your grocery order and stop being stubborn. So I got 3 loaves of honey wheat bread. For easy lunches, sandwiches. My kids love toast, so just easy things. And then my kids are out of toothpaste. They just ran out of toothpaste literally this morning. So I very quickly added this onto my grocery order before I had to pick it up this afternoon. This is what we use. It's fantastic, but we get the bubble mint for the kids, but we like it because it just has like a little push tab on it, and the kids can get their own toothpaste. So I got 2 of those, 1 for them to use now, and then 1 to put in our like storage unit cabinet thing with all of our extra stuff. That way when we run out, I usually have a backup. So it's just something that I missed when I did my big grocery shop earlier this month. I'm pretty sure this total came to $139, which seems like a lot, but like I said, I'm really thinking that this is going to stretch over 2 different Christmases, a birthday party, and then just like a lot of leftovers, obviously. So I don't think it was that big of a deal. I'm pretty happy with the total of this haul, especially the way prices have been this whole year. So I'm pretty happy with that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a fantastic Christmas season. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. I think I've kept up pretty well. And I will hang out with you guys again tomorrow.
This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. The Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but 1 subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh, got another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened?